Hello guys, I hope you have seen the videos we have sent earlier. So in continuation to this is one another video which will give you the exact demonstration of how things work out there in a meeting. Okay, how should you talk, how should you carry yourself and present yourself so that they know completely about yourself and the company and give you exactly what is required. Okay. So in past the videos were quite information and this will be those were like very theoretical and this will be a practical session. Okay. So here I will be the proof of performance guy and these two will be the media owners of a very big company. Like these are the managers in that company and media owner is someone else who sits at a very top level and he doesn't have much time to talk to us.
Media owner is busy.
So,
we will be forwarding the idea to the general manager.
So even these managers are very big enough, so we have to explain them short and convince them. Okay, so just see the video and learn.
Hello, Mr. Majid.
Yes, sir. Sir, so I talked to Mr. Uma regarding that, and she directed me to you. So now I will be explaining you the complete idea of this thing.
Okay.
So sir, it is like this. So you can see here. Now the advertisers and agencies are two different things. An advertiser has only two media owners contacts or few media owners contact. But we are introducing a system in which there will be a online booking system. Media owners can put in their information there and agencies can see all the information about the media owners all over India and then book a system of their choice. Okay. So this will benefit a media owner in a very various phase and here which I have mentioned the problem like
where do you have this data?
sir, we have created a online map.
Okay.
And on that map there are different cities. Okay, so for one city there are many medias. Like we have broad Delhi map on that various medias are there.
How many cities have you covered?
Sir, as of now we have covered 30 cities. So all the metro cities and few tier 1 cities, most of the tier 1 cities.
So what kind of agencies are there in your loop who have already contacted you?
Sir,
Ready to use this kind of tool?
Sir, agencies will be as important as the media owners. Okay. So we have contact various media owners like in Mumbai we have contact Posterscope and many of the big media agencies and in Delhi also we have contact Lowell Intas and others.
So what kind of owners, media owners are there? Have you already talked with some media owners? Are there any big guys which are there in this field?
Yes sir, we have talked to many guys and most of them are ready to work with us on this platform. The major media owners are like JCT Corp, Pioneer Publicity, Jagran, Graphis Ads. These are in Delhi, so these have all done that. And in Kanpur, that is your city, we have contacted Mr. Ankit, the advertising agency, and Adage Group. So those were impressed with the idea and they are ready to give the information regarding this.
So your tool, we can see the assets of all the media owners.
Sir. Sir, I can demonstrate that tool if you want in a second.
One more thing, is your platform which you are developing, is it the same idea of that of Times OH? I mean, Times all about media. There is a site called all about media.
All about outdoors.
Sir, all about outdoor, it doesn't give information about each and every site. Okay, it gives information of the media owner only.
What
So,
about e-tags?
Sir, eTax is like it is working on the same thing like buying platform for medias, but it has only few number of media sites, around 500 to 600, and that is in lesser number of cities. But we have 50,000 media assets, and that can be sorted through this planning tool technique, which I will be showing you. Sir, so see, this is a planning tool technique. It has various features: north, south, custom zone, visibility index, user POI. So with this, you can do any sort of operation, and you can find the media of your need.
And what will I be doing in your tool?
Sir, you will be going through this MOCP like. So this is the owner login. So you will log in into this, and you will see select your city state and city, and then you will see which are the media of your company.
Okay.
So the red one shows that this is still unclaimed. The blue one shows that we know the media owner, but we are not contacted. And the green one shows that yours.
Same thing I will be doing that.
Yes, sir. You have to go. Sir, if you are little busy with this thing, even we can do that. But we have to give certain information about this, like the picture of the media site, the route where it is, the location where it is, and the dimensions, the price of it. Price is not a compulsory one. It is upon your discretion, and whether it is non-lit or lit, the media type and all, etc.
You were talking about few parameters like visibility index and POI. Also, can you elaborate them?
Sir, in user POI, what happens is you type a area in Kanpur. Please say one area.
Anything you
Okay,
take the
say Habibganj. So I type Habibganj here. See Habibganj, and I put the radius 4 kilometers. So now you can see that there is a circle around the Habibganj area, and various medias in that thing has come up. Sir, and visibility index, like you have very good medias. So we will be providing a rating for them. Sir, that rating will be approved by the outdoor media panel, and maybe you will also be called to that thing to approve that thing. So on various parameters like distance, the visibility, the orientation, the size, different parameters come into this. So this is still under construction, under development. It will be.
Is it being developed in-house of your company, or is it? How is it?
Sir, in a way to say, we have an in-house agency, web development agency, that is called separately named Web, that develops everything for us.
Is your product online right now?
Sir, this is online. You can use it right now, but
But
still
is it working?
Sir, it is working, but still it is going some changes. Okay, like we have developed the basic functionality. Much more has to be developed. So that process is coming up. If you have any suggestions, you can tell. That we will implement.
On what platform your website was developed? Is it
Sir,
a totally made one?
yes, sir. This is developed on PHP platform.
PHP.
PHP. Yes, sir.
Okay, and who is the director of your company?
Sir, our director is Mr. Harjap Singh Man. Sir, this company was started in 2010 December, and this is relatively new initiative which I am telling you now.
How have you collected this
Mr.
data?
Harjap Singh Man, recently seen him in a meeting. Was
Okay, right. Sir, actually there are several conferences going on all over India. So you visit these conferences. Maybe you have seen in there somewhere.
How have you collected this data?
Sir, actually, see what happens is we have our vehicle, and that goes to different cities, and it has camera atop it. It captures all the video of the media, hoardings, billboards, etc., etc. So that we get the information of everything.
so, how much awareness is there about your company? How much
Sir,
network has your company been able to make till now?
so the networking part, we can say that in tier 1 cities it has not been done, since it is relatively a new company. But we have gone to the metro cities, and people know us there because of our services.
And what exactly are your services like?
Sir, when we started this thing, we started with the monitoring services. In that, we used to monitor campaigns for brands and agencies and media owners as well. For you, like you are a very big organization, your thing is there in Varanasi, Patna, etc. So I shouldn't say wrong, but down the hierarchy, there may be some people who may be corrupt, and they put some other ad and save money. So something of that sort happened. And sometimes what happens is brands give small media owners the contract, the small media owners default on that. So we check the complete campaign for all the 300 days.
Okay. So right now that all the sites are filled. So most of the time in a year, sites always they have ad on them.
Right.
So
Sir,
why should I be joining this venture?
Sir, I know that your site are filled because you are much in demand in the company. Uttar Pradesh, you are one of the biggest. So, but I can assure that you will get a better business. Like you are getting a business from maybe Ashok Leyland company, Okay, but you can get it investment that proposal from Tata Motors or Audi, BMW because you get more reachable, more visible you are now.
And what more services do you offer?
Sir, other services monitoring I said, and apart from that we give that dashboard in which there will be competitive analysis. A brand say Tata Motors, it will say we will go to them and show that this company, say Maruti Suzuki is this much doing outdoor spending, and you are doing in this much, and they do in this part, this part, this part, this parts. So different parts they are doing.
How they are fared in the outdoor industry.
So many insights come up from that report and that graphs. So that is one of our service.
How much you charge for this?
Sir, the charge varies from person to person depending on the number of cities he has taken.
If I ask you for doing in a city of Kanpur, in a small place in Kanpur, how much would you take?
Sir, for Kanpur, sir, I don't know exactly, but I can estimate. For a month, I can give it for 40,000 rupees.
And what about monitoring?
Sir, monitoring, which cities are you?
I'm talking about Kanpur.
Yes, sir. Sir, Kanpur, sir, exactly, I don't know much about it. Actually, my seniors will be able to explain that better.
To connect
Sir, I'll tell my seniors to connect with you and I'll give their number. So whenever they are free, they will meet you.
I'm just remembering a certain thing. In your website was, I think, named in CRR, I think. What was that exactly for?
Sir, CRRI, we do traffic count for that, sir. This is the third service, I forgot to tell. And different parts of different cross sections or different intersections on road, we calculate the traffic count. And we give the classification of the traffic as well. And the traffic count is like automatic, sir. Like complete technical and scientific.
Nice. Nice to know about it.
Okay.
Sir, and regarding our company was started by Hajab Singh, I told you, on December 2010. And from then the services started. All the services.
How many employees are there on the company?
Sir, in our company, there are 50 people who are in the company, and we have our stringers network in different cities. So around 60 to 70 people are there on the field.
So they do all on your payroll?
Sir, yes, sir. They are on the payroll. They are permanent employees. Sir, and apart from that, we have connections with DTDC and other companies. So they give us a very good network all over India.
So thank you, Mr. Indrajit. No, we will
It's a
discuss
nice
with
idea.
it is a very good initiative. We'll discuss with the senior management.
Okay.
We'll mail your senior management. I mean, just give me the proposal regarding this.
We'll get back to you.
We'll get back to you soon. We'll take 2-3 days. We'll get back to you.
Do you need anything else right now? Do you need anything?
Sir, if you can give the information regarding how many media sites you have and the location.
Okay, yeah.
So you can make me media one of the operations team guy. So I will take information from them.
I will make you meet our operations head. He will guide you through all the operations. He will give you all the pictures, the
Yes, sir.
position,
We have
exactly,
this
so
data
that
with us.
we can plot your media assets.
Right. Okay, sir.
We'll take the approval from our senior management and we'll get to it.
Okay. All right, sir.
So do get to me back after a few days and mail me immediately.
Okay. All right, sir. I'll mail you the complaint link. I'll mail you the passwords also. Thank you, sir.